Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from shopping hauls to styling services, and I like to try a wide array of styling services. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe below. For returning viewers, thank you guys so much for your continued support, comments, likes. I appreciate all of it. So today we are doing a Fashom unboxing. I will go through what Fashom is really quick while I cut this box open. Fashom is a styling service. It is not a subscription, so you just request a box as you so choose to get one. They have a website or an app where you can request your box. You can choose your stylist, and then once you put your request in 2 to 3 days, then your stylist picks out I think about 7 items for you, and you choose which 5 you want to have shipped to you. You do get to see a picture of what it is and the price. When you are choosing what to have sent with you, you do put in a styling note as well when you request a box as far as what you're looking for, things like that. Like I said, you have 5 items that are sent for you. There is a styling fee of $15, but that only gets applied to your second box and later. So the first one is risk-free to try. If you are interested in trying the service, I do have a referral link below, and that will also give you $10 off of your first box. Also gets me $10, so I always appreciate that. So I think that's it. I'm just gonna dive right into the box. Okay, they give you paperwork that gives you a note from your stylist and your price sheet. I will go over that at the end, and then they give you a mailer to send back what you're not going to keep. But let's just get to the good stuff. The bundle. All right, so I asked for, in this one, because I love fully styled outfits, I asked for 2 fully styled outfits. I have done that before, and I really liked what I got. So I did that again, and I think I actually have 3 styled outfits in here, because I think there's a dress as well. So let's see what we have here. Honestly, I don't even remember at this point, just because it does take a couple of weeks for them to ship it out to you. So I don't remember what I picked. All right, so we have this naked zebra shirt, and size small. They have this tulip sleeve on it, which I always think is super cute. Feels like really nice quality blouse. I like this. What's this made out of? It is 100% polyester. I did check that. I like the color of it. I don't really have anything this color. And then just like a little keyhole back there with the button. And I think this is just a really cute, nice blousey top that I can definitely wear to work. And then we have the Just USA skinny jeans. And these are a very dark wash. I thought they were black for a second, but they are blue. They're just a very dark wash, and they are just a clean skinny pant. Look high-waisted, decent amount of stretch to them, so those may end up being keepers. And then we have these white. I thought these were interesting, and I actually saw this in another Fashom unboxing video, somebody who got these, and I thought they were super cute on her. But these are white cropped pants, but then they actually have kind of this split here at the bottom, and then a cut hem here. And since they're cropped, you should be able to see the cut hem. They are kind of a more relaxed, looser fit, I believe, and they look that way. And this is by Evident, E-V-I-D-N-T, so you can see that brand there. So I'm very interested in these. Very different than other white pants that I have. Alright, and then to go with that, another naked zebra shirt. Oh, I really like this blouse, this yellow blouse. I have a couple of yellow camis, I think, but I don't have any yellow blouses. And I've always liked yellow on my skin. Well, more when I'm tan in the summer. I've liked yellow on my skin tone. Not so much right now because I'm pale. But I like what's going on the shoulders here. I think that is cute. And kind of a double layer blouse. I'm guessing this is polyester as well. Feels polyester-ish. Yep. But really pretty. Alright, and then last up we have this mint colored dress here, and it has like these branches here on the bottom, which I thought was a cool detail. I mean, it's not actual branches, but they just kind of remind me of that. And they do have pockets, so that's awesome. And I always tend to like this, the elastic waistband type dresses. I've got a few that are that type, and it does have a little belt on it. So I love everything. I love it all. So we'll see. Oh, one of the biggest things I forgot to tell you guys about Fashom is you do get 25% off if you buy 3 or more items. And then something new is that you get 30% off if you buy 5 items. So that is a great deal. I love the 25% off for buying 3 items. I've taken advantage of that several times. So, all right, let's go ahead and try this stuff on. Yay! Okay, guys, first up we have the yellow blouse and the dark wash jeans. Yellow blouse, I love the color. I love the yellow. I think it's pretty. I like the kind of double layer blouseness to it. So it feels good quality. I like the detail up here. I just don't know if it's a little big. It just seems, I know it's meant to be flowy, it just seems like super long and just a little bit big on me. Not too bad, but a little bit big. Love to get your guys' opinion on this. Now, the jeans are fine. I'm just gonna give them a fine. They fit well. They're a nice dark wash skinny jean, not too big in the waistband. I do have a double roll on them because they are full length pants. So if I didn't already have a couple of pairs of dark wash skinnies, then I would snatch these up, but I do, so, and there's nothing about them that make me feel like I can't live without them, so I don't think I'm going to be keeping them, but I'd love to give you guys opinion on these pieces. Here's a better look at the blouse. I'll come towards you a little bit. My lighting's not as good as I move closer to you. So, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Especially the blouse. I'm curious as to opinions on that. Let's go ahead to the next outfit now. Okay, outfit number 2. Let's start at the top again. Now this blouse is definitely big on me. Way too big on me. So that's disappointing. I really love these tulip sleeve ruffles. I just think that's so cute. I like the color of it. They definitely look nice with white pants like this, but too big. Now this and the white blouse were sent to me in size small, so I am guessing that is as small as they go, though I probably will email Fashom to find out if they do have extra smalls. But usually if I get sent a small, that means that's as small as it goes. So that's a bummer. But these, what's not a bummer are these white skinny pants. So they are a crop pant a little bit. I mean, I guess they're just ankle for me. And they have this slit here, which is interesting detail, and a cut hem. And I think these are really cute. I'm very happy with these. I think these are going to be a stayer. I thought they were more of a wider leg, but they're not. I think they just have kind of less stretch to them, so that maybe they don't look as tiny when they come out of a box. But also, really snug waistband. I don't tend to get that very often, you know, waistbands that are this snug, but very snug snake waistband, and that's a good thing. So I'm happy about that. So guys, this, I don't know what the cost is, but I know it's not crazy, or else I would have remembered that. So I think these are definitely going to be winners. Now last up, we just have the dress. Okay, last up we have this dress, and I think it fits great. This is by SM Wardrobe. It is a small, but this one actually fits. So yay. So pockets, awesome. There is a tie here, and honestly guys, I don't know if this goes in the back or the front. So you guys tell me what you think. Let me know. It's in the back, but I'm kind of thinking it belongs in the front. I'm not for sure, so if you guys give me your opinions, that'd be great. I like the kind of the branch look here at the bottom. I think that's cute, and like I said, it fits great. So I think this will probably be a keeper. So yay! All right, let's go over prices and we'll figure out what to keep. All right, let's go over final thoughts and prices, and maybe you guys can help me make some decisions. So, the price sheet. So first of all, my stylist this time was Morgan. In the past I had Molly, but when I went to request a box, she wasn't available, so I thought, why not try a new stylist? So I have Morgan this time. So, prices. First off, we have the blue pepper crop denim jeans. These are $42. That's a good price for any denim, and I really like these. I think they're cute. I like the slit in the bottom. I think these are keepers. Then we have, this is the naked zebra tuck with band blouse. So, oh, and that's $42. So I did contact Fashom and ask them if there were exchanges on the two naked zebra blouses, and nope. Small is all that they have. They don't go any smaller to the extra small, which is what I suspected, but I thought I would try. I am on the fence with this, guys. I actually put this back on to the recap, even though it's actually a day later, because I'm still on the fence. It could stand to be smaller, but it's not nearly as drastically big as this other blouse is, and I do like the color. I like the thickness of it. It's kind of like a double layer blouse. It feels good quality. So what do you guys think? So that I'm on the fence with. This other Naked Zebra Ellen Tulip blouse, $37. I love this blouse. It just looked way too big on me. Then we had the Just USA high-rise skinny jean, and these are $48. Again, a great price for denim. I just already have dark wash skinny jeans and don't really need another pair, so not going to keep these. And then we have the SM Wardrobe branch dress, and this is $45. So what I'm thinking is I'm either keeping just these, or I'm going to keep all three of these and get the 25% off discount. The price for all 5 items is $214. If I bought all, the new discount for that is actually 30% off, which is awesome, and that would take up $64.20. So if I wanted to purchase the whole box, that is $149.80. So not bad at all. All right, give me your opinions. I'd love to hear them. I'm not quite sure what to do yet, so we'll see. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. That really helps me out. If you're not subscribed, then subscribe below. And if you would like to try Fashom, then you can use my referral link below to get $10 off your first box. And that is the end of my spiel. I love you guys, and I will hopefully see you in the next video. All right, thanks. Bye.